Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are firing up the grill for one of my absolute favorite juicy homemade chicken barbecue. I'll be showing you my special seasoning mix that is packed with flavor and easy marinating tips to make your chicken super tender and delicious. Lovelies, don't let us talk much. Let's get it started. Now, those are the chicken I'll be using. I've soaked it in water and I'm adding some salt into the water now because I want it to be very clean. So I'm going to rinse it very well in the salt water. Let me quickly show you the part of chicken I have here. I have drumstick. That's what you can see in my hand. And I also have chicken wings in it. Yes, so I'm going to release this water and add fresh water into it. I'm going to rinse it several times until I'm very sure that it is very clean. So after cleaning it, this is what I have. Lovely. I'm not going to leave it like this. I'm just going to pat dry it with this my kitchen towel, and then I'll get my knife because I'm not yet through with it. Okay, let me show you what I did with the drumsticks. I'm going to be picking the drumsticks one after the other and cut it open at the side like this. Opening it like this will enable the ingredients we're going to use for seasoning it to enter into it very well, okay, so that you will have maximum delicious results. So let's move on now to the making of the marinade. For the exact measurements used, please check the description box or the comment section. You will find it there. I poured salt into the plate. I'm going to add ginger into it, and I'm going to add chili and paprika powder. That is what you can see there. Into them now, I'm going to add oregano. After that, I added barbecue mixture, and I also added garlic powder. I added seasoning into it, and I'm also going to show you those fresh ingredients are also used. If they are available, they make it taste better. What I have here is rosemary. I'm going to add basil into it, that is basil leaves, and I'm going to add chives into it. Yes, these are optional, but if you have it, you will thank me later. Into this, I'm going to add onion powder, and I'll also added vegetable oil into this. I'm not blending this with water. I use vegetable oil, and I'm adding soya sauce into it now. So I'm going to pour everything together. I'll cover it and mix everything together until smooth. Yes, lovely. Look at it. The aroma it's giving here, it's saying how the result is going to be already. So to make it a lot easier, I got myself a nylon bag and I pour the chicken into it. Yes, use this system, you will thank me later. Pour everything into a nylon bag, and I'm now going to pour the marinade direct into it like this. Instead of taking it one by one, use the system. Everything will be well marinated. Yes, this is how I did it. You can see how it looks. Let me show you properly so that you can see how well marinated it is. Can you see what I have here? Can you see it saved time and did a fantastic job? So like this, you can leave it in the fridge for about 2 hours, but for best maximum result, you can just leave it overnight if you have enough time. I left it for 2 hours and I started to do my barbecue. Lovely. This came out super juicy. It came out super tender. Tasted super delicious. Give it a try. I bet it you're going to love it. Lovely. Making your own marinade at home makes you to know what it contains, and when you have maximum result, you'll be proud of what you have done. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.